It's a pretty afternoon this afternoon. Is that bird going to come down for a drink of water? Let's wait a minute. I think it is. It's a lovely afternoon. What is it, late spring, early summer, I suppose? I can hear lawnmowers. It's a Saturday afternoon, so people like to mow their lawn on the day off, don't they? Every day is a day off to me, though. What birds can I film? I walk around the grounds with my camera hoping to find something. Often I come back empty-handed. This is empty-handed, but it's still beautiful to look at. Isn't it? That's a pretty scene. That's a pretty garden scene. I can hear bees. I can hear bees up in the Osage Orange tree. They've got funny they're related to mulberries, and each fruit is like, well, it's got hairs on it. What's that sound? The sound of a big truck and the sound of the peregrine falcon. Look, there's the Osage Orange fruit or blossom, whatever you want to call it, a combination of both. It's an Osage Orange fruit. Osage Orange refers to the colour of the timber in the root, but it is about the size of an orange anyway, that fruit. They're related to breadfruits and to mulberries. A young Osage Orange. The bees are busy pollinating them. I can hear them above. There's a couple of Osage Oranges in there, or blossoms, or whatever you call it. Like a mulberry, the fruit and the blossom come out at the same time. Can you hear the bees? Can you hear the bees up in the Osage Orange tree? Where's that bee? There are bees. Bees in the Osage Orange trees. There's a bee up there in the Osage Orange tree. What's it doing? Pollinating, I suppose. Doing its bee thing. All the way from America, this tree. They look like a pompon, don't they? How do you pronounce that? Pompon? Isn't it beautiful and fluffy? There we are. You can see the Osage Orange fruit underneath all those stamens or whatever they are. Or are they stigmas? I'm not sure. I was looking out the window in science class. Here I am under the Osage Orange tree. Is it Osage or Osage? I'm not sure. Some years back I had somebody who was from the Osage Indian people in America talking about my tree. It's one of my favourite trees. It reminds me of Sherwood Forest. There goes a big cockatoo. It's a lovely Saturday afternoon anyway. It's beautiful. What time would it be? I'm not sure. Probably getting on for 6 o'clock daylight saving time.